This practice that you're doing is not about technique or anything like that. It is about accuracy. It's about understanding what your sword is doing in the upper half while you're not able to see your sword while it moves. And that's all it is. This is just a way to see where your sword is going, how fast you're moving. Now, the big thing about doing this correctly is the idea of where your t-shirt is going. If your t-shirt goes upwards, that means that your cut performs all of its energy in upwards motion and not in the forwards motion. That means you can be assured that when you are going to cut into someone, by the time you land on the head, all your energy will be sapped because you put all of your speed going upwards instead of it going forwards. Now, another thing is if you cut downwards. If the t-shirt goes downwards, that does not mean necessarily you did anything wrong on the upswing. It just means you put so much effort into the downswing that even if your shirt was going to break inertia of your sword, going to fly off of it, you now put extra emphasis on the downswing part that it cannot do anything else but go with the sword. Meaning that in essence, you're technically doing a chop. You're doing this. It can be perfect, cut down. You're not cutting forward into the person again. So, by doing that too, you already see the two biggest mistakes people make. Cutting upwards or cutting downwards. And you want to cut forwards. The shirt or towel, whatever it is, should literally pass your object within a 30 centimeter range of where you want the cut to perform. As I said, this is an accuracy test. So if we're doing Jodan or Shinchokugiri, meaning I want to cut the person on its head, it means that my towel should pass the person's head within 30 centimeters. And when I say within 30 centimeters, I mean literally, if I'm cutting down here, it should be 30 centimeters exactly above my head. If I hit them in the face, that's also fine. The difference is, again, it's between cutting downwards from on top into cutting into their face. By doing this, like that, that means that I get the perfect cut. That means that my speed on top, my angle at which my blade is traveling forward is exactly the same. And the inertia my towel or my shirt has to overcome to leave my sword is all into the forward swing. Meaning that I will have the most perfect and most effective cut when I cut forward.